Oh, is it? You can turn the lights on if it's not light enough in here.
What is it, Alex?
It's a helicopter in an airplane.
Yeah.
Hopefully the propellers in these last a little longer for you. I don't know why they don't make the. I guess they just bend for the metal, huh?
Yeah.
Pretty cool stuff.
I got an Alex. Okay. Next. Here, Alex.
Which is this?
I don't know. What do you think?
Oh,
Oh.
Mommy.
No, Sparky. You're in the way.
You good. Papa, no good. Mommy.
Well, they're bows, so I can make it so you can undo them like that, like a shoe bow. Usually.
Alexander.
We have this one? What is it?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
What does it feel like?
I see a booger in the booger one.
Look. There's a Clifford book.
It's a book?
A Clifford.
No, show me.
Look.
Wow, Clifford's birthday party, huh?
Yeah.
You have to live vicariously through Clifford since you got stinky poor little guy. Alex was supposed to have a birthday party today, but he got a fever, so he can't have it.
Look.
Cool, airplane.
Here.
There's more.
Whoa.
Poor Alex, not supposed to get sick.
Both hands. What is it? It's a helmet for your bike. You were asking for a bike helmet. Look at this. A valve for your bike, like Mommy has.
Look. Another
Yeah.
one.
What is that? Is that T-Bone?
Yeah.
Clifford T-Bone. See Clifford's friend?
Yeah.
Yeah, good old Clifford.
Okay.
Look.
One more.
An airplane's flying.
One more, Alex.
What is it?
Nothing.
A nice ring.
King.
There you go. Happy birthday, bud.
What is it?
That's it.
You mean the ones Kathy gave you?
Yeah.
They're upstairs. Here's the sick birthday boy. Bye-bye, sick birthday boy.